Here's how you check for a bad wheel bearing. Sometimes they'll make noise, sometimes they don't, including while you're driving and just checking it via this method, spinning it back and forth real fast with both hands. Sometimes you'll hear like grinding sound or even the bearings falling around in there, sometimes you won't. But here's the real fail-proof way to check. What you want to do is grab it on the left and right side and you pivot it back and forth like this. Do the same thing top and bottom, pivot it back and forth like this. It shouldn't take much force at all. If it's bad, you will have play. This one's bad enough I'm able to do it with one hand. Watch. You might hear it squeaking there. I don't know how well it's going to show with me trying to hold this and record at the same time. But yeah, it's just flopping all around on there. So that's how you check for a bad wheel bearing.